How you can fix Wi-Fi and network problems on your iPhone. Now, before I teach you guys how to do that, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let's get started. So if you don't have any problem with your internet, that is your Wi-Fi and your router, and you're pretty sure that it's your phone, what you'll need to do is go to your settings. Again, check your Wi-Fi, make sure that you're connected to it, and after you do that, make sure that you connect it to your cellular device or your cellular data, and make sure that you are not on low power mode. Make sure that you've turned off low power mode, I mean low data mode. And after doing both of those, if you still are having problem, go to general on your settings, and after you do that, scroll all the way down, and after you scroll all the way down, you will see transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on it, and there you will see two options. One is to reset, other is to erase all contents. Tap on reset, and there you will see reset network settings. So you need to tap on reset network settings. After you do that, you will need to type in your password and your iPhone will restart. And after you do that, your problems should get fixed, and your problem that you have on your iPhone regarding your Wi-Fi and your network will get fixed. So that is basically all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you fix your Wi-Fi and network problems on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.